Okay, we got some gas now. We can ride around. Yeah. I did check the oil on this thing and it's good. Our steering works real good. Action gear works good. Speedometer don't work. Tachometer works. Speedometer don't. I was trying to get it up above 40 miles an hour. I realized I was looking at the tack. I was tacking about $4,000. I was thinking, and then I thought, oh, it seems like I'm going awful fast for 40 miles an hour. And then I was like, oh wait, that's not the speedometer. That's the tachometer. Looking at the wrong thing. You know, these things happen sometimes. I got a switch in here. It don't work, but I'm gonna go visit the people I bought this from in a day or two, or 3 or 4, and I'll ask them what this toggle switch on here is for. I guess make a pretty good little pizza getter. Oh, the joy. One day when we got a little sunshine, it's looking all dark and cloudy today, but one day when we got a little sunshine, I'll get out and I'll cut that rusty spot out and throw some paint up inside there where all that rust is. And looking online, I think you can buy little under door panels, kick panels, or what do they call it, whatever they call them things. I don't think it costs much. So I might get me a couple of them put on here. Well, I think I only need one. Oh, she goes good. I guess I could turn the heater on. I don't feel any air coming out of the vent. I can hear the fan blowing. But I don't feel like anything's coming out. Okay, it's on defrost. It's on defrost line. Okay. Okay. So the heat control is off by a little bit. When I put it on vent, I get heat out through the cab, and when I put it on heat, it's going out through the vent. I put it on defrost, it's going out through the vent the whole lot. So, but it's hot, it's working, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna yank this down pretty soon. I might just come out here with a Sharpie and cut all this out of here. Do that today. Alright, so if the speedometer ain't working, then this 116,000 is probably not accurate. I don't know how long it's been since the speedometer was working, but there's that. Anyway, okay. Alright, that's good enough for now. Let's go inside and see if I can turn this picture around where I'm facing the right ways. See y'all. It's raining out here. I was gonna come out and see if I could get the Jeep kicked off. I hadn't cranked it since I've been back. I pour a little gas in the carburetor, but I think I'll wait since it's raining. Wait till it abates. I don't think we're expecting snow right away. I think it'd be alright if I don't do it right off. Oh, the joy.